Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Push Tech again. Somebody has been on my neck to show him how to attach DStv, a paid TV, and SLTV, a paid TV. He has DStv decoder, he has SLTV decoder. So I want to quickly, because of him, you can see his request up. I'm going to pop up the frequency and symbol rate for you. Before we do that, let's just do the fundamentals. Number one, this is 26 and 28E. I've tracked it in my previous videos. So if you want to track DStv from this position, I told you when you are backing the dish, you're backing the dish in Africa, yeah, backing the dish, you start counting from your right to your left. 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. EPS 25 or 25, 28, 30, 35, 36. So 28, counting like this, 30, DStv 36, you tested 36 degree. So DStv should come toward the side a bit, not that much. From this place, move it to this place a bit. Now DStv and 28E, which one is higher in number? 36 is higher than 28. So 36 in number on a single setup, higher number take lower elevation, while lower number take higher elevation. So we compare 36 and 28 degree. 36 is higher in number, but you take a lower elevation. So why this is 28, 36 will come to this place and will go down a bit. That means, in summary, this 28 is higher in elevation than 36. So we're going to bring this to this side, then we're going to bring it down a bit. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to take it like this. Let me just do a quick summary for you. At 36 will be something like this. We'll move it to this side like this. From the 20, we bring it down to this side. Then we're going to bring it down. We're going to break it down. So see, so what we're looking a bit down like this. So move it from 28, move it to this side. From Joy TV position, you move it to this and you bring it down. This is what we are looking at. And secondly, again, if you want to track DStv, please let your LMB position be like this, something 8 o'clock. Not if you put like this 6 o'clock, you won't get DStv. No matter how skillful you are, 6 o'clock won't get you DStv. 7 o'clock may give you DStv, but perfectly let it be 8 o'clock. So this is how you get your DStv setting, LMB setting. Stay tuned while we get the tracker and track. A lot of frequencies for DStv, many of them, up to like 10 of them, but I'm going to use this. I'm going to pop up them for you to see, but I'm going to use this 12284 horizontal 27 500. That's what we're going to use. I moved it from here down. So this is the, so look at it. We're going to go, you can see it's not difficult to track if you arrange the LMB very well and you put your, set it to 8 o'clock as I told you, you get it. So let's see, got 30, pop up 30. Can you see clearly from here? So still continue trying. So we got this. So let's quickly do our scan at DStv. You can do a blind scan for your decoder. So the bottom line is this, you can see, is if you look at the first image with it, it was not as high like this. It was not as low like this. So this one is a bit lower. So look at the LMB position. The LMB position is this. We got this at this point is 8 o'clock. It's 8 o'clock. It's 8 o'clock. So this is how we get our DStv. The DStv position like this. So while we wait and see. They're popping up. It's a paid TV. So we want to search. We're going to confirm with the dish. The only free TV there, the only free view is the dish. There's a channel 100. They're all locked. You can see dollar sign. All of them all dollars. So it's done. So let's use let's get the dish. The channel 100. And see. No. So get the channel 100 and see. Trying to search to get the other ones. So get the DStv channel 100 is only free. So this is the only free, and it's not even showing. It's not showing, but this is the only free. So I've got the DStv. So this is the DStv. So stay tuned. Let's see how attach our 51E to this setup. 51E to this DStv. The guy specifically said he doesn't have access to this scaler. He says he wants to see how he can use binding wire like this. See, this is flexible. This sticker, you can get this if you can lay your hands on it, or you get the factory fitted, the factory made scaler. But he said he doesn't have this, so I'm going to try using this binding wire for the first time. I've never used it before, but because of him, I'll try and see I can use binding wire to get this attached. No, what I normally do, I put my scaler here and attach another scaler, but he specifically wants me to use the binding wire so that I can go out there and practice. So we are using binding wire. Take note. You are going to tie it here at the neck of this. The neck of this, you're going to tie it here. You tie the binding wire here. After you got the length, then you attach the other LMB at this end. Then you see how you get it. I've never tried it before, but I'm going to see how we're going to do it. So stay tuned. Let me do the arrangement and we continue. So the distance between want to attach SLTV to DStv. So the distance SLTV is 51.5 while DStv is 36. So let's say 51 minus 36. We say 51 minus 36 is going to give us 15. Guys, you want to look at the distance apart, they will divide it by 2. It's about 7.2 or 8, 7.5, sorry, 7.5, 7.5 or 8. So it's about 7 inches to 8 inches apart. That's what we are looking at. So from this thing, what you do is, I'm using binding wire. So look at it. You put the binding wire across like this on the neck like this of this very one. Tight it like this. Tight. Make sure it's tight like this. Turn it like this, so that's, but not that tight, so that you have a little bit of flexibility to twist it. So when you tight it, then be turning it like this. be twisting the, be twisting it, be twisting it, be twisting it, be twisting it like this, be twisting it, be twisting it, twist it to about, when you get to that point of 7.5 to 8, you can leave it like this. Why? Because the whole idea is to hang this one here on the neck of this, on this LMB like this. So this is it, is to tie this to this place like this. So when you've got your 7.5 to 8 inch is apart, you tie it to this place, and you get your LMB and try and see if it will connect. So this is what we are looking at. Remember I told you DStv should be 7 to 8 o'clock. This one should also follow suit. I'm going to twist this one to 7 to 8 o'clock, and let's see if we can get it easily. We'll stay tuned as we continue. So I'll pop up the SLTV frequency for you. I'm going to use that of Belarus TV, which is 11089 30,000 horizontal. So I told you that the distance is 7.5 to 8 apart. So I've already, my binding wire is like this. So I stopped at this point. From here to here is about 7.5. So I opened here wide so that I can put it on this place and I'll tie it. So that is the whole idea. Is not easy for me. It's even more stressful, but I just want to honor the request of that guy that's been on my neck for the past 2 weeks. So look at it. Let's do it together. So we bring it like this. We didn't get it. We take it up. So let's tie it there like this and see. I think I got it. You can see. So you can see. Can you see the screen? Can see. So the idea is somewhere like this. So once you get the distance apart, you already tied it here. So it's to tie it at this place. We tie it at this place, you begin to twist. So we're going to tie it at this place, and I'll do the twisting, then I'll do the confirmation. Stay tuned as we continue. We finally got it. Look at how it is. So you say 51 minus 36 divided by 2, it gives you 15. Then you, sorry, 51, that is Belintisat, minus 36 DStv, it will give you 15 inches apart. Then you divide it by 2 because it's the average you're looking for. So we're looking at 7.5 to 8 apart. So this is how you do it. So what I'll do now is, you can see this is the SLTV or MOREPLEX position. So this is how it is. So we're going to tie it. See, I'm holding it here. I'm going to use my binding wire to tie it here, and we'll do the final setup. So then we'll snap. Stay tuned as we continue. Final setup. For those of you who cannot afford scaler, but I must confess that this is not as solid like this. So this one, you put the support here, and the other one will support it at the top. It still gives you the same quality. If you are good in installation. So from there to this place is 7.5 inch apart. DStv, SLTV. You can see the frequency is solid. So that's a good one. Using binding wire for the first time, I'm trying this, and it gives me an excellent frequency. So let's take a view of it. So as it is. Okay, my cameraman say hi. So we've been on it together and we finally got it. So MOREPLEX is here also. MOREPLEX is here, SLTV is here, and the signal is very good. So go out there and do the tracking. Thank you. We'll see you in our next lectures. Till then, go out and put it into practice. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. And bye bye.